Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Walmart Marketplace listings via Walmart Seller Center, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Walmart Seller Center account. Once you're in the dashboard, locate the catalog section on the left-hand menu. Click on products to access your current listings. To find the listing you want to update, use the search bar or scroll through the product list. Select the product you wish to edit by clicking on its name. You will be directed to the product details page. Here, you can update various information such as title, description, price, and inventory. To change the product title, click on the title field and enter your new title. For updating the product description, navigate to the description section and make your changes. Adjust the price by entering the new amount in the price field. If you need to modify inventory levels, locate the inventory section and input the new stock quantity. Remember to review the shipping details if any changes are required. Once you have completed all necessary updates, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click the Save button to apply your changes. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your updates have been saved successfully. Your product will now reflect the updated information on the Walmart Marketplace. For bulk updates, consider downloading the inventory file template from the catalog section. Fill in the template with your new product information. After updating the template, return to the Seller Center and navigate to Bulk Uploads. Select the Upload option and then upload your Review any processing messages that appear to ensure everything was updated correctly. Finally, monitor your listing to confirm that all changes are accurately displayed on Walmart's platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.